Hey guys, I'm back with another styling video, and in today's video I am going to style this blue slip dress that I bought from LimeRoad.com in 5 different ways. The first look is the easiest to recreate. Here I have thrown on a pink overcoat with some cute detailing at the sleeves. I've worn pink block heels to go with the entire look. Look 2 is all about winters. Here I have worn a sweater with a belt and some ankle length boots. Look 3 resonates the most with my personal style as denim jackets are my favorite. Just belt up the dress in a way to create some pleats in it. This look can be completed by an oversized denim jacket, colored denim jackets or some embroidered denim jackets. Look 4 can be worn to your workplace. In this look I have worn some strappy heels with a blazer. A colored scarf in the neck will break the monotone of the look. Look 5 is best for parties and my absolute favorite. Here I have worn the blue slip dress as a top. A colorful full-length geometric pattern skirt goes so well with this look. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to tell me your favorite look out of the lot.